Guys, how are you today? I hope you all are fine. Today, we will start with a new adventure with Rosie. Rosie will start from the start island and will pass through 5 islands to go to the treasure. The first island is factors. The second is multiples. And the third is prime number. The fourth is composite number. And the fifth is prime factorization. Let's start our journey. The first island is about factors. What is the meaning of factor? The factors are numbers that divide another number exactly without leaving a remainder. They are also numbers that can be multiplied together to make a given number. We can't understand. Okay, let's take an example. If I ask you, what are the factors of 12? What does this mean? This is mean, how can I get 12? What is the number which is multiplied together to give me 12? Let's start from 1. If I multiply 1 by 12, I will get 12. If I multiply 2 by 6, also I will get 12. If I multiply 3 by 4, I will get 12. So I have 6 numbers which can give me 12. These numbers are called factors. So when I ask you what are the factors of 12, you will answer with the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So now we are stand on the same land of factors. Now, let's take another example. Suppose we have 20 flowers and we want to know the factors of 20. We will start with one group. If I make one group of the 20 flowers, the group will have all the 20 flowers. Okay, if I make 2 groups, each one will have 10 flowers. And there is no flowers left behind. Okay, another way to make 20 is to make 4 groups. And every group will have 5 flowers. Or I make 5 groups. Every group have 4 flowers each. So the factors of 20 will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Okay, let's go to Rosie. What do you want to tell us, Rosie? I wanted to tell you about how to find factors in easy way. Okay, we will start from 1. We will start from 1 and I ask myself, how can I get the number given from 1? Okay, the next step is to check if the number can be divided evenly by 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, if there is no remainder, that means that the number is a factor. Okay, thank you, Rosie. Now, there is facts about factors. These facts, we will learn it as properties of factors. The properties of factors are: one is a factor of every number. One is a factor of every number. What does this mean? If I ask you, what is the factors of 8? Rosie told us to start with 1. Excellent. I will start with 1. How can I get 8 from 1? I will multiply 1 by 8. Excellent. Another way to get factors of 8. Rosie told us to take the numbers evenly, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So let's take 2. If I divided 8 by 2, it will give me 4, and there is no remainder. So the factors of 8, the numbers which can make 8 for me. What is this number? It's 1 multiplied by 8 or 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, let's take another example. If I ask you, what are the factors of 15? We will think and start with 1. How can I get 15 from 1? I will multiply 1 by 15. Okay, is there another way? Yes, I will take 15 and divide it by 2. Is this acceptable? No, because there is a remainder, and we learned that factors is the number which divided by another number and there is no remainder. The factors came from divided the number by another number and there is no remainder. So I will move to 3 and I will divide 15 by 3 and it will give me 5 without remainder. This means that 3 and 5 are factors for 15. So, when I search about the factors of 8 and I search about the factors of 15, I started with 1. This means that 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. The second properties of the factors is that every number is a factor of itself. What does this mean? When I told you about the factors of 8, we start with 1, which is multiplied by 8. When I asked about the factors of 15, we start with 1, which multiplied by 15. When I ask you about the factors of 12, you will start with 1, which is multiplied by 12. This means that every number is a factor of itself. Excellent. The third property is that factors of a number are always less than or equal to the number. The factor of a number are always less than or equal to the number. When we search about the factors of 18, we will find that the factors of 18 is that 1 multiplied by 18 and 2 multiplied by 9 and 3 multiplied by 6. Is there is a number bigger than 18? No, there is no. So, the factors of a number are always less than or equal to this number. Okay, every number has at least two factors, one and itself. Every number has at least two factors, one and itself. If I ask you what is the factors of 13, how can I get 13 from 1? Okay, I can get 13 from 1 by multiplied 1 by 13. Is there another way I can get 13 from? No, there is no other way. So 13 has only two factors. Okay, if I ask it about another number, let's say 9. How can I get the factors of 9? From 1 is 1 multiplied by 9. From 2, there is no a way to find 9 from 2. So let's go on to 3. How can I get 9 from 3? I will multiply 3 by 3 to get 9. So the factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9.